OMG, Beanie and Hypen in one performance, natupad na rin. Eto nga ang pinakahihintay ng lahat nang makita ang Beanie with their idol in Hypen. Di lang pala fan meeting ang mangyayari, kundi a big surprise para sa lahat. A post from Enhypen na sobrang trending. XONLA with hashtag Beanie, hashtag Colette, Stacy and Sheena, hashtag Sunu, Jay and Hisung, hashtag Enhypen XO only if you say yes. Umabot lang naman ng 1.8 million hearts in just 2 hours, 101,000 comments, 180,000 add to favorites, and 230,000 shares. Dream come true talaga ito ng Beanie from being a fan. Ngayon nakakolab na ang kanilang idolo sa isang performance. Maraming kinilig and happy just watching Beanie and Enhypen dancing together. Beanie manifestation lang noon, naging totoo na.